Hello everyone, today you see the picture on which I have right here. It's a lash lifting kit, so we're gonna do them together. So let me just show you what it has inside. So it has the instruction how to do it. It has the solutions, the brush, the silicone pads, and that's the actual kit and your tools that you need. So let's start and let's do the lashes. So in the kit itself comes the white brushes, the silicone pads, comes with tape, disposable gloves, the glue, the brushes and anything else, then the patches, there's a magic tool, and then is the lotions themselves. They come 10 in a pack, so you can use 10 more uses, and that's how they look. And let's start doing them. So first we're gonna clean our lashes with makeup remover. That's the one I'm gonna use, and then I'm gonna put the silicone pad and start doing the work. Let me show you how my lashes look, and then I will show you after result. So right now there's done nothing to them. My lash balm already been more than a month and a half, so let's redo it. So we glued down our lashes on the silicone pad right here. Right now I'm gonna use the step 1, the permanent, and I'll put it on and I'll wait 5 to 7 minutes so it can set. So right now I'll put the permanent, we wait 5 to 7 minutes, and after that I'll be right back when I put the setting on. So I already took off the permanent. Right now I'm gonna put the setting which I already opened, and we wait around 5 to 7 minutes again, and I'll be right back. So I already put the setting, I'm waiting for 5 to 7 minutes, and I'll be right back to you when I'm done to put the essence. So already it permed, I'm gonna put the essence and use a cotton pad to clean it up, and I'll be right back to you. So I already put the essence with spoolie, and that's how my lash looks. It looks amazing, look at the difference. And right now we're gonna start doing the other eye, and I'll be right back when everything is finished. That's the final result. I'll just come close up to the camera. So that's how they look. It's simply amazing. I love them. So also follow the aftercare instructions and you will have amazing lashes for about 2 months. Also don't put any makeup and follow the aftercare. But it's such a great product. I recommend it to everybody, and I simply love the lashes.